Hello everyone. I've got a subject that I want to bring up and talk about that's not very popular on YouTube, but it's something that I think that needs to be talked about, and I want to tell you what I've learned over 12 years of spending the nights in the woods, and that's going to the bathroom. Years ago my wife used to go, that's something she never got used to, as using the bathroom in the woods. She felt like there was no privacy, which it isn't. You find out quick if you hiking and spending the night in the woods. You find out real quick. The best you got is semi-privacy. In fact, out west where there's no trees, or maybe in the desert, all you can do is use your backpack to squat behind. But anyway, that was something she never got comfortable with, and consequently she doesn't enjoy going in the woods. But let me explain what I've figured out over 12 years. Now this is just a Walmart plastic bag, and I'll explain what that is in just a minute. First, this is my poop kit. Now I'll probably use some language that's not pleasant for everybody, but this it has the poop emoji on it, and I like that. It just designates exactly what it is. You don't have to wear, this is it. It tells you what it is. Now this particular one came from a company, a little cottage industry called Space Bear, spacebear.com, and it's long enough to accommodate my Vargo Dig tool, and I'm gonna show you what's in it. Now here's some toilet paper. I'm getting where I don't bring toilet paper anymore. Now I had this little roll, and I still kept it in here, but I may get rid of it, and I'm gonna explain to you why I don't need it anymore. Now in here is this is my Vargo Dig tool. It's serrated here. It doesn't hurt my hands to use it, and I always had an issue with trying to get past what they call the surface roots in an area where you're actually going to go. And I found this Vargo tool works about the best. I have spades, I've had the Diggler, but this is the one I like. Now, if you have this, you need to get a bag. Make sure it's big enough to accommodate whatever tool you use. You use whatever you like. But here's the deal. I used to bring paper towels as part of my cook setup, and the toilet paper in my poop kit. But now I found these compressed towels. Everybody's seen them. You just add water, they swell up, and you can clean your long handle spoon, your coffee cup, your pot, or whatever you need to maybe wipe down and clean, but you have to pour some water on it for it to swell up and use it. Now I thought, okay, that's fine, maybe I can use this instead of toilet paper, which you can, but the deal is when you open this up, it's like a waffle pattern, and you can see through it. So I'm thinking, now that's not going to be good for wiping your back side. So anyway, I did find this here, and I'll put these both in the description, the towelettes, and this is called a porta wipes, and it's designated as biodegradable and hygienic, fragrance-free, reusable. I'm not going to reuse it, but it's a compressed towelette also, but the pattern is different. But I still don't trust it to not have that you can see through it, and I don't feel like it's a perfect wipe, a tool to use to wipe with. But I find I like it. It's cleaner than toilet paper. At least I feel like it leaves you cleaner. So what I've done is I do use these wipes, and but I also carry this little packet. It's called a Sandy Hands, and now this one, you can use it to clean your hands when you finish with your business. Okay, now this is what this bag is for here. Any garbage you might want to carry out, and you'll see this on the back of my backpack just about every time I've ever left a campsite, and the next time I'm out, I'm going to take a picture of me leaving the campsite. You'll always see this bag tied to the back on the outside of my backpack, because I carry Mountain House or Peak Refuel or whatever that I need to carry out will be in here. I do not put garbage or trash inside my bag. I don't, because my backpack stays in my tent, and I don't want any food smell inside my backpack. So this will always be tied to the outside of my backpack. Of course, a lot of the stuff like these sandy wipes and all, you can actually burn them if you've got a fire. So anyway, that's what that's all about. And just thought I'd pass that on to you, that you can get your poop kit down to just a few items and not have to have a big roll of toilet paper. Now that's all I had to say about pooping in the woods. Now I do want to talk about this weekend coming up, March the 1st. I'm going up to Appalachian Trail Gateway Kickoff in Amicalola Falls State Park. I'll be up at the lodge, and there's vendors will be up there, and quite a few of my friends will be up there. But this particular year, it's a little special. This is my 3rd year going up there. But I'm gonna have my old friend Tom Walker from following Walker's World. He's coming up this year with his new bionic hips. He's got two hips been replaced, so he's coming up, and it's a possibility he might be considering doing a through hike of the Appalachian Trail. I'll get to talk to him, and maybe we'll do a little video when we get there. We also have Tresmo, which y'all know is Tres, T-R-E-S. Actually, his name is Howard. There's 3 Howards in his family. He was the 3rd, and he didn't like Howard, so they give him the name Tres, which is 3rd. Uno, dos, tres. So Tres Endermark. Now he's going to be giving a little talk on photography. That's his thing. He's got a Facebook, I think, and an Instagram, and it's about photography. Now he's going to give a little talk, and not so much about the settings on your camera or phone. He wants to go into things like how to capture the a comprehensive picture on the trail. Like like me, I'll get to a nice overlook, and I'll get up there at eye level. Look at this, look how pretty this is. Ooh, right? Instead of maybe getting low behind a boulder or something, then bring it up and then reveal the shot. He's going to go over all of that, how to get perspective, like on a bridge in a meandering stream in your shot to take your eye in. He's going to go over all that kind of composition. But anyway, Howard Walter Endermark, he's actually a retired judge in DeKalb County here in Atlanta. But he's going to get that little talk, so he'll be out there. And then, of course, we got my 2 real good buddies, Kevin from Atypical Hiker. Happens to be his birthday, March the 1st. And he just lost his mom a few months ago. And Martha told me that he was going to be born on February the 28th, which is a leap year, and she absolutely didn't want that. She held off birthing Kevin until March the 1st. So March the 1st is his birthday. She just didn't want a leap year baby. I don't know why. What the heck? But anyway, so his birthday, and him and Andy from Metro on the Move. Okay, both those guys are committed to doing the Appalachian Trail in 2025, and they own the trail as we speak. Now they're coming in, and they will be at the Appalachian Gateway Kickoff. And so you know if you're in the area, you stop by, take a look. They'll be there. You can get a picture with them and talk to them about their experience so far. Now, I did want to mention that Andy is he's got some Hikers of America stickers. I bought 2 the other day. Just to help him out. These numbered. There's one of 100 and 2 of 100. So I bought. You can get 1 for $7, 2 for $10. What the heck? You can help him out because he's self-funding his through hike, and he's out there. I think he's Winding Stair Gap. Sounds right. He just finished with the. I think he's past Klingman's Dome. I think he's heading towards Fontana Dam. But anyway, they're making good progress, but he'll be up there, and maybe you can help support him or something and get a couple of stickers from him, or just make a donation to help him out on his self-funded through hike. That's it. I'm going to try to get this posted today, so you've got enough time to maybe think about stopping by and saying hello to everybody. Z-Packs, and quite a few vendors will be there, and many other through hikers will be there. So maybe stop by, say hello to everybody, sit in on Howard Walter's In the Box little talk on photography. He's sorry he ever told me his name, because he don't like Howard. So of course I'm gonna call him Howard. He don't like it, but he's H.W. Howard Walter, just to aggravate him a little bit. How about that? So you can say hello to Howard, and that's it. So I'm gonna close this video out, and hopefully we get to see you up in Amicalola Falls.